You can use light key frequencies to heal and prosper. Benefits include improved sense of well-being, clarity, peace, and abundance. Join today to embrace your divinity.
Tell me, Sunny, balance in everyday life. What does that mean to you?
I just feel, there is one aspect always compromise.
Okay.
So either it is, if you are focusing on the career,
Uh-huh.
so then perhaps, the household or the me time or your, my hobbies or something that I love doing.
So, which aspect of your life is at the lowest right now?
It's the fun time, the playfulness that
Okay.
I, I mean, I used to love
Mhm. Okay.
being that. That's
Okay.
missing.
Okay. So, do you have a fun list? What is fun for you?
I love dancing.
Okay.
I love, just going window shopping
Okay.
and just going for, just walk around. I
Okay.
mean, nothing in mind, but I just
Fair,
like to walk around.
fair enough. For dancing, how long does it going to take?
Oh, once the music is on, perhaps I can dance.
Okay. How long can you dance?
Okay. I used to dance for hours non-stop, like 3 hours and all. But
Uh-huh.
now I don't know. I just lack the stamina. I feel very tired. I feel very breathless.
Oh,
So
don't go there. Don't go there. Okay. So to feel the joy of dancing, how long do you require?
uh, perhaps 5-10 minutes.
Okay. Can you commit 5 minutes of your daily life to you?
Yes. I'm committing more than that, I guess.
Then why are you not dancing?
That somehow those activities I feel are not priority right now.
Okay. So what does that mean? You are not putting fun as a priority. Who's deciding that?
Uh, I myself, I guess.
You are deciding that. Now
Yeah.
what can you do to make a different decision, different choice? So if you can't allocate 5 minutes of 24 hours for fun, then what's the point of everything else you are doing?
True. I just feel it takes efforts. Whereas I feel that these are things that, are basically effortlessly, it happens.
What
And
is effortless?
pardon,
What is effortlessly happening?
fun.
Yeah. So if fun is effortless, all you have to do is committing 5 minutes, right? So what are you choosing? You are choosing everything that requires effort. You are not even willing to commit 5 minutes for something that is effortless. Then what are you giving attention to? What are you honoring for? Effortless fun or efforting chores?
Mm, yeah, perhaps I'm focusing on things that needs efforts.
Yeah, then that is the choice you are making. That's what you are telling universe. Universe, that's where I'm going to focus because that's what I like. And that's what you will get more.
Yes.
So still there is an inhibition for you to commit to fun.
Yes.
So when did you learn that fun is bad? When did you decide that you don't deserve fun?
I actually developed early menopause, so
Okay.
kind of in 40.
Okay.
So, and then everything used to feel, very painful.
Okay.
It used to be, everything was, about putting efforts
Okay.
everywhere.
Mhm.
Anything and everything was feeling like pain, and, need to push myself.
Hold on, Sunny. So look at the intensity while you are talking about the struggles, about the hardship. Look at the energy when you talk about fun, the lightness.
Yes.
Where do you think you are? Where do you think you are putting your focus and attention on? What are you choosing? Where are you investing your energy in? Look at that. Where are you investing your energy in?
Building strength, I guess.
No, where are you looking? Look at that. When you talk about your hardship, how much energy are you investing?
Yes.
And when you talk about having fun and lightness, how much energy are you investing? Less or more?
Very less.
If you are investing, let's say, $1 million in a particular fund and $5 in another fund, where would you get more return from?
Where I invest more.
Yeah. So if you look at the energy, that's where you are investing in struggle, in hardship. You need to shift your focus. How do you do? By investing in lightness. Even for
Okay.
even for 20 seconds, even for 5 seconds to start with. You don't
Okay.
need a lot of time. It is your choice, your decision. Everything else is an excuse. It's a choice.
Okay.
You commit to yourself to do dance for one song every day.
I would love to implement it.
That's not the energy. You're still choosing. You're still not choosing lightness.
Yeah, there's some mental blocks which I have not been able to identify. I have kind of worked on these, but still I have not able to nail it. What
You
is
don't
holding
have
me
to.
back?
You don't have to clear the blocks to change your vibration. Again, that is just a belief. See,
Okay.
let's say that you are carrying 50 kilos, okay? And
Yes.
let's say that you would like to climb a mountain,
Okay.
okay?
Hmm.
So, can you only climb a mountain by releasing all the 50 kilos? Or can you just start with the first step and on the way you can release it or even develop strength to carry that 50 kilos? Taking that first step does not require you to release that. It is your choice, it is your decision. That's what you need to get. Start somewhere, take the first step. Okay, the rest
Yes.
is up to you.
Yes.
Okay, oh, thank you, Sunny.
Thank you.